Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Well, summer is almost here in the desert Southwest, and everyone knows that it's going to be hot outside. But what you may not know is that as hot as it gets, there are still some very colorful plants that you can use in your landscape. Let's start with the seasonal bedding color that goes well in summer flower beds or in containers to dress up your patio or pool area. There are some great color items like vinca or periwinkle, pentas or starflowers, celosia, alyssum, and portulaca or moss rose. These plants are good in group plantings that add a big splash of color to your outdoor living area. They also grow very well in planters or color bowls. There are some low-growing perennial plants that also do well in containers or as ground cover. Things such as gazanias, actinia or hearts and flowers, lantana and verbena are just a few of the flowering plants that love the heat. And don't forget about these excellent accent plants that love the sun. Blanket flower, black-eyed Susan, germander, penstemon, salvia, dusty miller, and bush morning glory. And of course there's the more traditional type colored plants for the desert like autumn sage, Baja fairy duster, red yucca, Texas rangers, and the desert birds of paradise, which are always on display throughout the warm weather. For those of you that would like a more tropical look to your yard, there are also hibiscus and bougainvillea. There are also some flowering vines that love the heat, like campsis or trumpet creeper, and the family of tacomas like Cape honeysuckle, orange jubilee, and yellow bells. Even some of the trees that shade us from the brutal sun can be very colorful. The albizia or mimosa tree has a spreading canopy with pink powder puff flowers in the summer. The pink Don Catalpa seems to always be in color during the warm weather, as is the desert willow and the vitex or chase tree. As you can see, there are lots of options for summer color in your yard, so check it out. For more information on plants for hot and dry climates, see our Star Note number 530, available at starnursery.com or on our free app for your smartphone. And don't forget, we make house calls.
Email us at housecalls@starnursery.com or call 702-771-7827. Leave a message and one of us will call you back.
I'm Dr. Q.
And I'm his assistant, Joey Lynn.
And we'll see you again next week.